Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to go over the Trace Swim Bait by 6th. Basically, it's going to be a very quick video. I just wanted to show you guys what this bait looks like out of the package, what comes with it, and just briefly go over some of the scenarios where you might want to fish this type of bait. So the first one I'm going to take out and show you here is going to be the Trace 6-inch swim bait. That is a slow sinking. This is a slow sinking version of it. As you can see here, this is a breakaway hard swimming bait. It has a soft tail at the back, which I really do like. Helps give it that lifelike appearance in the water. And then also it comes with an additional replacement tail as well. So, you know, after a while, if that tail gets damaged by catching fish, you have a replacement that comes with right out of the box. With this particular one here, this will allow you to get bit in those scenarios where the fish are chasing shad, perhaps of a similar size. And it also allows you to fish this very high up in the water column because it sinks really slow. So I like to use this, like I said, when those bass are chasing shad, in particular, you know, on flats. I really like to throw this bait, especially when there's grass just up under the flats, or where there's grass on the flats, because this can fish right over top of it. You don't have to worry about it getting hung and all of the grass down below. So really like that for that reason. And just to show you also the other version that I have, which is the fast sinking version. I'll show you that here. I mean, it looks exactly the same, so this is a different colorway. And then also, I didn't know this, but at the bottom it does show you whether it's slow sinking or fast sinking, just so you always remember. So it has that etched down at the bottom. But this version here, this is the fast sinking version. So this is something that you'll want to throw out in that, you know, slightly deeper water. And when I throw it out, I like to let that bait, you know, sit, depending on the water depth. I like to let it sit for, you know, 5-6 seconds after I throw it out before I start my retrieve. Like I said, that depends on the water depth that you're fishing. You know, I like to do that around 10 foot of water or so. That way I can make sure that bait sinks down to the water column that I want it to sink down to. And then just simply retrieve that bad boy back and let the fish eat it up. So, like I said, very short video. Just really wanted to give you guys a close look of these baits, what they look like out of the package. So that way, if you're interested in buying one of these, you have a better look and you can make a better judgment call on if this is a bait for you. Thank you guys for checking out the video today. If you have any additional questions about these baits, or you want to see something in particular, perhaps see these baits in action, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to do that for you guys. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.